Hello, friends, welcome to our weekly blog. Today, we are going to talk about the effects of recession, the pros and cons on buying a property right now. The recession is not here yet because, according to the definition of recession, recession is when the economy goes in negative, the GDP goes in negative. We are still on the positive side, but if it comes there will be more chance to buy because you will get very good deals in terms of properties, but the lending will be a little bit tight by the lenders. So in that case, we can help you. We have the lenders who will fund anyways. So if you have deals which are very tough and hard to place, we will help in that. Our phone number to reach is 905-487-0796. Now, my question is to Vikrant. Vikrant, how do you see the market behave if the recession hits, or we know that because of the interest rate increase, there's already the property prices are down. So, is it a good time to buy? How do you look at the overall market?
Thank you, Gurpreet. As you said, the recession is not here yet. Definitely, the sales have been coming to a flat growth. It's not the similar confidence which sellers had in January and February this year. If we talk about the recession and how the market's going to behave, is that we are seeking a buyer's market which have been for as a seller's market for last 2 years. There will be better deals for the buyers where they can buy the property comparatively on a lesser price as compared to if they would have bought it in January and February this year. In all perspective, what I'm seeking is that the market is moving towards the buyer's market as compared to the seller's market.
Mhm. So, Mr. Bill, would you give us insight into the market? When is the good time to buy? I know this is all times are good because right now also it is buyer's market. But would you give us some prediction that how market will behave, and what is the best time to buy?
Thank you, Gurpreet. Thank you for the question. Again, best time to buy is now. I would say is today. Anybody who is looking to buy, tap into the market, your time is now. So let's not wait anymore, because right now we have tons of inventory in the market. You can pick and choose a good product. And another big change that I see is these days the buyers can go buy the property and then put a conditional offer on that. You could get your property inspected by a certified home inspector, and also we do mortgages, so we also get that flexibility where you can put a conditional offer and then come to us within the next 5-10 days. We can work out on your mortgage file and give you the approval. Again, coming back to the question, times are good now. Also, in real estate or in the mortgage industry, the time for entry and the exit is important, right? Anybody who is looking to buy first time, it's a good time because you're entering into the market when the market is flat, right? And then you hold on to the property for another 3, 4, 5 years. We suggest make it 5 years, especially for the first time buyers. The graph is always going to go up, right? So your exit point will always be higher than your entry point, and definitely you're going to walk out with big chunk of money. It's just the planning, and we're here for your planning. 905-487-0796 is our team's phone number. We're very conveniently located here at 407 in Dixie, at the border of Mississauga and Brampton. Feel free to come into the office anytime, or give us a call if there is any question that you guys have. We're always here to answer all your questions. Thank you.
My next question is for Mr. Gursharan. So, Gursharan, tell me, even if the recession comes and people have properties on power of sale, how this will help the buyers?
Thank you, Gurpreet. As we already talk about, when is the buyer market? When the properties come on the power of sale, when the sellers don't have the capacity to hold the property, and he is not able to pay the mortgage on time, then his property come to the power of sale, and so it is the good time for the buyer. He can negotiate on that property and he will get the very good price because the inventory will be high, and the sell because the lender want to sell that property anyhow.
Hmm.
So that's
So
why
yeah,
the buyer has the more chances to buy at the less price.
So basically, they are going to get a very good deal on it.
Yeah.
Yes, at that time.
So this is the best time. But in terms of the lenders will be tight.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we here at Gold Mortgage Team, we can help you guys to get the mortgage. This is our advantage here, and we specialize in these hard to place deals. So of course the lenders are tight, but we can still do the mortgage. And
Yes, and one thing more I just want to add, like we have seen bank are increasing the interest rate, and the like the qualifying benchmark has increased, so it is a little bit tighter for the buyer to get the mortgage, and so we will help. Our team will help them. Who has any problem to get the mortgage, our team will help them.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Bulwinder, how do you see the economy like in coming 6 months to a year? Do you think that the economy will go down, or maybe it can flatten, and how it will hit the real estate market in terms of the housing basically?
Thank you, Gurpreet. Actually, still our economy is working in very good shape. Not a good shape, but it's not going down. Still, we are in like jobs are better, and economy is still on a positive side. So I don't think so. We are in risk right now. So
So basically, it's a good time then,
Yes,
right?
good time to
So the jobs are there, the job numbers are
Mhm.
okay, and that way it gives. Basically, I think it's because of the interest rate increase,
Yeah.
the consumer confidence is down, and because of that, there is a lot of inventory.
Yeah.
People can negotiate and get a very good deal.
Yeah.
And on the mortgage side, we can help. We have the products where the person, if they doesn't fit into a box, which is we call it A lending. We have the B lending, and we have the C lending, and we can even do private mortgages, which we have closed a few deals where the deal came on Thursday. They wanted a first mortgage, 80% loan to value on $1.1 million property. We lended them 892,000 within a day. So that kind of deal we can fund in-house, and we specialize in that. So give us a call, 905-487-0796. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.